Multiple regression is used when dependent variable is A. measured on quantitative scale, B. measured on categorical scale, C. survival data, D. not present. Multiple regression is a statistical technique that predicts the value of one dependent variable based on the values of one or multiple independent variables. Okay, the independent variables predict the dependent variable. So it is particularly useful when the dependent variable is on a quantitative scale. Quantitative scale meaning it can take on a wide range of continuous values, 1, 1.1, 1.2. So in this method, the relationship between the dependent variable and the independent variable is represented by an equation which can help in understanding how specific changes in the independent variable might affect the dependent variable. When we have a binary dependent variable, it is technically logistic regression that is used. However, logistic regression is a type of multiple regression adapted for binary outcome. Therefore, while it's more accurate to refer to logistic regression for binary outcome, it is still a form of multiple regression. So while A is the most straightforward answer, B is also correct if you are interpreting multiple regression to encompass its various forms, including logistic regression. Because the question is not clear here, we can assume like A is correct if you are interpreting the question as normal multiple regression. But suppose if they ask logistic regression, you can take the second answer also. But here logistic regression is not given, so we can use A as the correct answer, which is measured on quantitative scale.